Substance called acid have a sharp taste known as acidity. Originally, rainwater is slightly acidic, but in severely polluted areas, rain can be as acidic as the acids of lemon juice or vinegar. This rain, which is very acidic, can cause damage to trees, lakes, wildlife, buildings, and human health. There is a link between acid rain and damage to human health. Breathing in the chemicals can harm people, causing chest illness. Also, when acid rain causes the release of chemicals and metals into drinking water, it can damage people's health. Closely acid rain. Acid rain contains harmful chemicals from fat gases. It damages trees, crops, and buildings. Acid pollution spoils the colors of paint, weakens leathers, and washes away buildings' materials. Some stained glass windows are thousand years old, but in the last 30 years, acid damage has become a problem. Fading of the colors of the glass is a common result of acid rain. Many of the world's famous buildings are a risk from acid pollution. Damage to the beautiful Taj Mahal in India, caused by sulfur pollution from nearby oil refiners, was one of the first indicators of acid pollution occurring in the developing world.